Hey you guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing all of my favorite yoga poses. These poses just feel really great for my body. I'm learning as I go, but so far these are the ones that have stuck with me, that feel the best, they stretch me the best so far, and this is a beginner friendly video. The workout that I'm doing now is great for your glutes and your butt muscles. It makes it a lot more plump. So ladies or anyone who's trying to get your booty more plump, these exercises in the beginning are perfect for you. I like to do these in the beginning because honestly, they are the hardest. I like to get them over with. Going down in my downward facing dog, I love this stretch. I'm going to be moving into my lunge. I can feel this stretch all in my calves. I stand for a very long time when I work, so stretching my legs is like the best feeling ever. This pose is so relaxing for my back. I like to stretch the exact same way on the other side of my body. And here comes my kitty cat, Mr. Jinx. He really loves when I do yoga. He likes to participate and motivate me and meow at me the entire time. I really believe that my cat just likes to give me encouragement while I stretch. I really love this pose because I feel like I can just lay there and do nothing for that time. I could just clear my mind and relax my body. Thank you guys so very much for watching. If you love this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want more videos like this. And namaste.